Howdy everybody, Quadrajet Power here. This is Mark. I got this request to show this video, put this together, so it's going to be a little quick video. I want to do the fast idle, the follower with the retention spring here and the nut. So rebuilt this base, got this together. Someone asked me to show how to make sure the spring is on correctly and how to do this right. So the fast idle follower is going to go on first. In this case, this is an 80s model. And most Chevrolet had one little piece that goes on prior on the early ones, but this is primarily how most of them are. So the follower is going to go up. The little thing sticking out here are going to go on the outside. So this is going to go on like this. This is where the fast idle screw is going to hit here. So we're going to take the fast idle adjuster, making sure the screw is going to go on here. Going to fit on the end of the shaft. We're making sure that the screw is touching this properly at this point. Now the spring, there's a wide spring and a narrow spring. This one's narrow, but they all work the same way. It's going to hook over the follower like this. Then we're going to put the screw on here to retain all these pieces onto the shaft. We're going to tighten this up. These just be good and tight. Then now all we're going to do is wrap this spring around this little ledge where it's supposed to sit on. Now we're going to check and make sure that the follower is moving and the spring's pulling it back into place against the screw. And that's all there is to putting that on. Now, some of the Buicks, the early Buicks, didn't have a spring, but most all the others did. Buick after 75, I believe, started using the spring on this. So if you're wondering how the spring goes on and all the components, there you go. Quadrajetpower.com for everything you need for your Quadrajet parts, kits, services. We do it all here. Rebuilds, every part that you need. Got it here and in stock, ready to go. Again, Mark at Quadrajet Power is my email. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.